matupad nila yung mga pangarap nila. You know what? My mentor told me na you don't need to believe to make that things happen. All you need to do is to do what you need to do to make things happen. Gawin mo lang daw ng gawin. Kahit feeling mo hindi siya magkakatotoo, kahit gusto mo siya, pero feeling mo hindi siya mangyayari kasi hindi siya naaabot ng psychological wallet mo or hindi mo na-visualize na mangyayari siya kasi para sa'yo imposible siya, pero may pangarap ka naman. You know what? Hindi mo kailangan paniwalaan kung ayaw mong maniwala or hindi siya naaabot ng mind mo. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, paano ka makakarating doon, gawin mo lang siya ng gawin, ng gawin, ng gawin. Dahil once na ginawa mo siya, once na nag-take action ka ng nag-take action, kahit hindi ka naniniwala, hindi mo namamalayan, ang layo mo na pala at narating mo na pala yung bagay na akala mo hindi mo kaya. It's just because nangibabaw na nag-take actions ka even though na you don't believe to that things to happen. Pero, ginawa mo pa rin yung ginawa. So again, all you need to do is to take action. Don't push yourself to believe if hindi siya naaabot ng psychological wallet mo. I remember before, ang paniniwala ko, you need to fake it until you make it. Hanggang sa naging fake it until you make it. Pero when my mentor told me that, na focus on your action, focus on your daily routine, focus on what you need to do to get that dreams, or para makarating ka doon, nagbago yung perspective ko sa life na sabi ko, oo nga no, gawin ko lang ng gawin, hindi ko namamalayan. Kahit na malayo pa ako, magiging malayo na ako. So dreamers, if you don't believe, it's okay, just do it. And you know, one day, today, tomorrow, or maybe the next day, you will never know. Andun ka na sa bagay na gusto mo. Andun ka na sa buhay na gusto mo. Basta, don't stop pursuing your dreams. Don't stop to push it. Because no matter what happened, you deserve a great life. You deserve a good life. Because you are worth to have a good life. Have a great day.